You can scroll TikTok for hours, but the moment you open your textbook, your brain screams, nope. What if studying felt as easy and addictive as checking your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to build a study system that makes you actually want to sit down and work. And I'll show you the exact digital setup I use to keep my grades and habits on track. The secret isn't motivation, it's systems. Top students don't rely on feeling inspired. They build routines and environments that make studying automatic. First, make your study space somewhere your brain likes. Clear your desk, remove your phone from arm's reach, add one cozy thing, a candle, a lamp, or a plant. When this space always means focus time, you'll start slipping into study mode much more easily. Second, you need a single place where your entire student life lives. Most people fail because their deadlines, notes, and to-dos are scattered in 5 different apps. I use a Notion student planner called SagePages. It's an all-in-one dashboard with 15 linked pages, assignments, an exams tracker, grade calculator, habit and budget trackers, a pomodoro timer, and even wellness pages, so I never have to guess what to do next. Instead of opening random tabs, I just open my SagePages dashboard, see today's priorities, and start. Third, make studying so easy you can't say no. Use the 2-minute rule. Tell yourself you only need to study for 2 minutes. Once you've opened your laptop, set a timer, and started, your brain usually keeps going. In SagePages, I log those mini sessions as quick tasks or check off my study habits. Over time, those tiny starts add up to solid routines. Fourth, gamify it. Set small challenges like 3 study blocks today or finish 1 assignment. Reward yourself with a snack, a short walk, or a YouTube video when you're done. Use a habit tracker or grade tracker to see your progress going up. The visual feedback is what makes studying feel addictive instead of pointless. Fifth, stop before you hate it. Use the pomodoro method so you focus blocks with real breaks and end your session while you still have energy. That way your brain learns that studying feels good, not exhausting. If you want an aesthetic, fully built study system, I've put the Notion template I use, SagePages, in the description. It's made for high school, college, and university students, with everything already linked so you don't have to spend hours building your own planner. You just duplicate it, customize the colors, and start studying. If you're serious about making studying your new habit, check it out.